what I'm trying to do is this. At this moment in time, on the master channel, or when it goes to mastering, the limiter of the mastering engineer threshold needs to come to -18 before it does anything to it. Okay? But by the time it gets to -20, it might be limiting or affecting another instrument in that mix. There's nothing we can do about that because one file is one file. But if we can reduce that peak there down by a dB or 2, you know, when it comes to that level, it's reducing them both together, not working as hard. And it's also less likely to make the snare distort. So let's have a look. We've got that there, it's -18. I'm going to add a clipper just for a quick example.